Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down a bit and select biometrics and security. Here go to install unknown apps, simply click on it, and now you can activate installation apps from unknown sources for some particular apps. So for example for Google Chrome, simply click on it and now click on allow from the source. And from now on you will be able to install application downloaded from Google Chrome. Then you can do the same thing for some other applications, for example for email, My Files and all the others, so it's up to you. And it's actually all. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources in your Galaxy A10. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.